Hunyah Travels, and today I'm making the wild pasta chips recipe video. This is similar to a South Asian snack known as gurkur, which is made from rice, but this is made from pasta, so it has similar properties in there. Also, this is another way of eating pasta, but just frying it. So it's a new way of making pasta. I'd like to tell a little bit about my blog and YouTube channel, Hunyah Travels. So Hunyah Travels is a blog and a YouTube channel that talks about the latest, trendiest recipes and reviews and informational videos on food, fashion, style, and travel, and more, including informational videos which I recently started filming. Pasta chips, you need any kind of pasta, and I'm using penne pasta, that is this. And also you need water, salt, and oil to fry it. That's all. Put in 3 cups of water. Where the pasta will boil. Salt into the boiling water and just let that boil for about 30 minutes and let it boil. Water is boiling. Take the pasta and take 1 cup of pasta and put that in to boil. So what you do is you take the pasta and you put it right here. And now that's the 1 cup of pasta that will go in for boiling. 1 cup is all what you need if you're just doing it for yourself. If you're doing it for more people, 2 cups of pasta is recommended. Once the water is boiling, and with the pasta, just move the pasta around in the boiling salt water until the pasta turns white and soft. It's ready to be strained out. Now take the strainer, that is this, and put it on a bowl and take the boiling pasta and strain it like this. Now the pasta is strained and it'll look like this. Now heat up the oil and wait until the oil is heated up, and then you put in the pasta, that is this, and it's ready to be fried. Take the pasta and just put it in. Since it's 1 cup that pasta I use, I'm just going to put it all in, and like this. The spatula to spread out all the pasta and let that fry. And let that fry for a while, and then it'll be ready to be taken out. It's turning golden brown, which means after a little bit more cooking, it's ready to be taken out. And look at this, it's almost ready. Pasta's golden brown, so now you could take it out, and now these are almost ready for its final presentation. And I'm using this bowl, which I explained earlier. So here it is. It's almost done. Pasta chips, because just need to take them out. Now here we have some pasta chips. So these are golden brown boiled pasta that is fried, which were boiled a while ago, and they're crispy and they're ready to eat. You could season it. It's very easy to make. It's just 3-ingredient recipe. So here it is. This oil, it's done. Hunyah Travels, and I hope you enjoy my pasta chips recipe video, and I'll have more recipe videos coming soon, and information videos and reviews. So make sure you subscribe to Hunyah Travels, and also make sure you follow Hunyah Travels page on Instagram, and also for inquiries, follow Hunyah08 on Instagram. That's my account. My page is Hunyah Travels Instagram page. And also read Hunyah Travels and watch Hunyah Travels. Thank you.